Bard versus Chat GPT. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about two of the most advanced language model in the world of AI, that is Chat GPT and Google Bard. Both models have a significant impact, but how do they compare? What sets them apart? That's what we are discussing today. So let's get started. First we are going to talk about Chat GPT. Chat GPT, also known as an OpenAI generative pre-trained transformer 3, is the one of the largest language models to date with over 175 billion parameters. It was created by OpenAI, a research organization that focuses on developing and promoting friendly AI that benefits humanity as a whole. ChatGPT was trained on a massive amount of text data and is capable of generating human-like text and answering questions with high accuracy. So next is Google Bard. Google Bard is based on lamda, short for language model for dialogue application. The AI generated text with such skills that a company engineer last year called it sentient, a claim that technology giant and scientists widely dismissed. Bard draws in information from the internet while ChatGPT has access to data until 2021. So let's talk about their differences. The service that Google Bard and ChatGPT would offer are similar. User will have to key in a question or a request to receive a human-like response. Though not immediately clear how the two services will differ, it is certain that Alphabet's Bard will have access to more data. Bard draws in information from the internet while ChatGPT has access to data until 2021. Ask the same questions to Bard and ChatGPT. Here are the responses on your screen. So according to you, which response is better? Comment below. In conclusion, both ChatGPT and Google Bard are advanced language models that have made a significant impact. While they have some similarities, they also have some key differences in terms of their focus size and training data. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your specific need and requirement. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI content.